the secret recipe that Chinese restaurants use to make the sauce for sweet and sour chicken. To a saute pan or a hot wok, add 1 cup of orange juice. Add a half a cup of sugar, half a cup of water, 3 tablespoons of white vinegar, 1/4 cup of pineapple juice, and a teaspoon of red food coloring. Bring that to a boil. While your ingredients are coming to a boil, make a slurry. That's made with cornstarch and water. Once your sauce is at a rolling boil, add in your cornstarch to thicken. Let your sauce come to a boil again, and then your sauce is ready. Our sauce is at the perfect consistency for dipping or pouring over your favorite fried chicken or pork.